I'm going to demonstrate for you an example where we have some narrowband noise in our recording, and it's about 200 hertz wide here. And when I play this for you, I think you'll agree it has a tonal character to it. However, it is not made up of pure tones. And so when I calculate classical tonality, as I show over here, it misses it. There are no pure tones in the frequency spectrum, and so classical tonality is not able to calculate any tonality units for this recording. However, down here I show the hearing model tonality, which operates on this hearing model and is able to correctly identify this noise as having some tonal character to it. In fact, it rates at about an average of just over zero point 0.4 TU-HMS, so into that problematic threshold for us based on tonality. So let's take a listen and see if you agree. So this tonality unit based on the hearing model correctly identifies this as a tonal sound even though it's not made up of pure tones.